Okay, so let's imagine we run the script. We can see that the output, I am putting everything over onto Notion as well, so it's easier for you to reference, but I'm going to explain to you right now what's going on. So it will look at the wanted crypto and it would first add all of these percentages together and it would tell you whether it is 100%. If it's not 100%, please go back to change it to 100% unless you are so sure of what the script does and that you want to change. Because it is possible to put maybe 50, 40, 30, depending on what you want to do. But I would suggest it goes to 100% in most cases. So next, it'll tell you what it's processing and then tells you whether it exists. Exist means that that coin exists in your portfolio. So let's say you have never gotten Gala coin before and you put Gala inside, it would say does not exist, but that's fine. This is mainly to check if there is something wrong. This is what it is for, like what happened in the script. So you can ignore this. Next, you would be told your futures margin accounts balance and the price of Bitcoin. And then everything is different except for the Bitcoin symbol. So for the Bitcoin symbol, it is a little bit different. For the Bitcoin symbol, it is only referring to your margin. Everything else is referring to altcoins, but for Bitcoin, this one over here is referring to margin. So TV is total value. This is the total value of my entire portfolio, which is your wanted crypto, your USDT in your trading account, and your USDT in your margin account. So the total value is 9,916. And we have our position, which will be over here. So your position would indicate what is your current position size. So it shouldn't be $8 million. This is because I was doing some math and calculations and I'm trying to adjust, but realistically it would probably be somewhere around here. Maybe you open like a $4,000 position. And then next is asset allocation. So asset allocation refers to the dollar value of your asset allocation. So if you want, like, if we head back to this example where we want $2,500 worth of Solana, it would be AA $2,500. Now value D is the difference between your current position and the AA value. So that's the amount of crypto you're going to buy or sell. If it's negative, means you're going to sell. If it's positive, means you're going to buy. And value C is just turning your value D into a positive number for calculations. So PRC is price, and you can see this is almost the same for the other cryptos as well, except the value is the value of the current asset in dollar value. I think I may have tripped you up there, but in essence, this means in this case, I'm holding like a tenth of a cent worth of Solana in dollars, which is nothing because all my Solana is held in another wallet, so I don't hold it in KuCoin. So next part, okay, it's very, very important to check all these values because these are the values that are going to be executed and these are the values that are going to be bought. So you really want to check. The asset allocation is $2,231. I will need to buy 12 Solana. This is very important. A is the amount. This is the amount that you are going to buy. You need to make sure all of these make sense. If you see this is like 3 million Luna, then you know something's wrong. So you always, always, always want to check. It's very important. Afterwards, you would just run the script. That's basically it. At the bottom, there is a safety check, which is just to make sure that your order size is big enough. So if your order size is too small, you got to go here and maybe change 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, because I think you must trade at least $10 or $1, depending on some assets, worth of assets. Otherwise, KuCoin just won't let the trade go through. So when you are done with that, you would run finally the bottom part of the script over here. Now, this part of the script, when you run it, it would execute. And just to give you a rough gauge, remember the A value. So the amount of crypto that you will be buying is over here. So if this value is wrong, if this value is wonky, like there is issue. So make sure, once again, reiterating, check the A value that it makes sense. because this is what it's going to buy. It's going to buy the A value. Also, the D value over here is to make sure that if it's positive, it buys, otherwise it sells. So if it's a negative D value, you're good. And that's basically it. Over here, the ordering will tell you how much you bought. And then, yep, that's basically it. The check is to make sure that it basically checks the ordering amount again. So it ordered this amount, it ordered this amount, it ordered this amount. So this is the coin, and this is the amount in value dollars. So you can see I actually ran it before, and it automatically bought and sold for me. I'm just chilling, and it worked. So the last part over here is needed for futures. So this would change well, I never figured out how to display the order details for the futures, and there's no need because you can just check on KuCoin. There's only one order, and it should only be Bitcoin, so there is nothing much to check over there. And with that, we are basically done with the script. So support me by buying me a coffee. Okay, I want to make this readily accessible to everyone who might find this useful. I'm having a small capital of like 10 or 20K, so I'm not able to do much with this. Like, I can make maybe another $4,000, $5,000 a year. That's not life-changing money, but for someone else with a larger capital, I think this might be very useful for you, and I just want to share it so that you'll be able to make use of it. Because just because I can't use it doesn't mean you shouldn't be able to. So I hope that you will support us, buy us a coffee, and if you can, please use our affiliate links. If you're gonna buy a ledger, if you intend to use Kraken, or you're gonna sign up for TradingView, please use our affiliate links. It would help a lot. If you want to make this work for any other exchange, if you're a coder, you can look at the CCXT library to modify on your own. Yeah, it's fine with me. And if you'd like me to do it, drop me a message, and on any platforms you could. I'm not a coder, so I'm really doing this out of spare time. But if you want, I could try. Just let us know. And also, if you look right over there, you will see Sarah just like being extremely creepy, and I have no idea what she's doing right down there. So, with this, we are done with the script video. Please look at it, read it, try to use it. Let me know if you find it useful. All the best, friends.